Mastering design for assembly. DFA slashes manufacturing costs to the bone. What specific reductions in manufacturing costs can be attributed to the implementation of design for assembly, DFA, principles in a production process? The implementation of design for assembly, DFA, principles in a production process can lead to significant reductions in manufacturing costs. Some specific reductions that can be attributed to DFA include: 1. Reduction in parts count. DFA emphasizes simplicity and minimization of parts. By reducing the number of parts, manufacturers can save on procurement, inventory management, and assembly costs. A 20 to 30% reduction in parts count can translate to a 10 to 15% cost savings. 2. Simplification of assembly processes. DFA promotes the use of simple and intuitive assembly processes, reducing the need for specialized tools and labor. This can lead to a 20 to 30% reduction in labor costs and a 10 to 15% reduction in tooling costs. 3. Reduced material costs. DFA encourages the use of standardized parts and materials, reducing material variety and enabling bulk purchasing. This can result in a 5 to 10% reduction in material costs. 4. Improved manufacturing efficiency. DFA designed products are easier to assemble, reducing production time and increasing throughput. This can lead to a 10 to 20% increase in productivity and a corresponding reduction in labor costs. 5. Reduced rework and scrap. DFA's focus on simplicity reduces the likelihood of assembly errors, resulting in a 10 to 15% reduction in rework and scrap rates. 6. Lower inventory costs. DFA's emphasis on simplicity and standardization reduces the need for inventory storage and management, leading to a 5 to 10% reduction in inventory costs. 7. Reduced packaging and shipping costs. DFA designed products are often lighter and more compact, reducing packaging and shipping costs by 5 to 10%. By implementing DFA principles, manufacturers can expect an overall reduction in manufacturing costs ranging from 15 to 30%. These cost savings can be reinvested in product development, quality improvements, or passed on to customers in the form of lower prices.